people cheering out for me, my mother in the audience feeling proud of me. And I think it is, whether it be Shushmita's the way she talks and the intellect she brings to the table, or Ashwarya's beauty. For me, I'll say that it was completely magical because when my title was to be announced, मैं आंखें बंद करके खड़ी थी.
आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए.
Hashtag handsome.
Hashtag Roy. Hashtag love of my life.
Oh confession song.
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी
कैसा है दिल कैसा है दीवाना, कितना मुश्किल है तलबा इसको समझाना कि धीरे धीरे दिल बेकरार होता है. Hi everyone, this is Ayushri Malik, your Liva Miss Diva Supranational 2024, and today here I am at Filmi Gyan.
Hi Filmi Gyan, this is Vipra Mehta, your Liva Miss Diva Cosmo.
Hi everyone, I'm Ananya. I'm the Liva Miss Diva Content Creator 2024.
Hello everyone and namaste. This is Shudriti Padhari, Liva Miss Diva Fashion Designer 2024.
And hello, आप तो मुझे जानते ही हैं. This is Disha Jasoria and Filmi Gyan and Disha welcomes the queens here. देखो ये हमारे स्टूडियो में आए हैं. They have lightened up everything, and I am so excited because they belong and they deserve all the love from every Indian out there, and we are so proud, and that's why you guys are here. और मैं दिशा जसोरिया आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ फिल्मी ज्ञान पे.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
How is the feeling, queens?
The queens are queening here.
Yeah.
I mean, it feels great, it feels grand, and just having to be able to get platforms और इतना सब बोला और इतने सारे interviews करके अब audience को बताना that how happy we feel for the support they gave, it feels amazing.
It's very exciting because it never happened in our lives and it suddenly changed everything. So much of shoots, so much of interviews. So yeah, we are really taking in.
It's super exciting for me personally because I never thought I would get into something like this.
Okay.
And the way it's moving on, we are having interviews after interviews. It's super exciting.
As a fashion designer, we are the back-end team always. So all of a sudden, I'm in front of all the cameras. It is new, it is exciting, and the feeling is still sinking in. So
Yeah.
Everything is sinking in.
Yes.
And मुझे ये जानना है आप लोगों से. I wish to take you back to the moment when your names were being called out, that this title, this title, this title. Go back to that moment and describe me how was the feeling, because first is always special.
Yeah.
And this, whatever has happened with you, is something which many people dream of,
Yeah,
but a few can achieve.
yeah.
Coming in that, slot of a few is something which is very personal and special.
Yeah.
Talk us
So
through that
true.
moment, one by one, what was that feeling when, you were given these titles?
For me, I'll say that it was completely magical because when my title was to be announced, मैं आंखें बंद करके खड़ी थी and I could feel there's some magical breeze around me, and I prayed to my God and I'm like, this is the moment. The next moment is going to be the most beautiful moment of my life regardless of the result. That connection that I had with my environment, I felt that it was so powerful and there was just some kind of magic in there. And then obviously my name was announced and I opened my eyes and the world changed. People cheering out for me, my mother in the audience feeling proud of me, and obviously I get this crown. I think it all comes together so beautifully.
So in my case, the name was announced and still I was processing. So my reaction was like, okay, that's me. Am I want to go there?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how my reaction was, and suddenly this crown was put, and I was feeling so overwhelmed, and I was really happy. Then there was just one walk after winning, you get a chance to walk. और वो ऐसी walk थी where you had the opportunity to that Miss India kind of thing. So yeah, that gives us a lot of energy to us. So yeah, and yeah, of course my parents were not there, but my friends and family were there, and they were really cheering me out. It feels really special to me.
It was a very beautiful and special moment for me. When they announced my name, I was literally, I went back in time. The whole journey of it was, not very easy to be honest, but it was super fun. So it all reflected all once at a time, and it literally paid off. So I was super happy.
What about you?
So during our announcement, they actually made it really fun. So
Yeah.
they got a prop of a spool. So spool like a thread spool.
Okay.
Replicating that, they made a bigger one, and we had to unwind the ribbon, and was that the name of the winner would have been
Yeah.
written on that, and that is how the announcement was supposed to be made. So I was standing fourth in line to, so all of us were just in a line and were given that ribbon from one end to just unwind it. And with every ribbon that was coming off, the palpitation was just going higher and higher. And all I could just remember was to thank my parents for bringing me to the stage, all my friends, and thanking my God. Some were wishing on the fact that I hope that my name is on it.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a divine connection altogether. And when the name just came off, I was in shock for like 2 to 3 minutes, I guess. Then I took the walk.
The processing takes time.
It
does,
Yes,
yeah.
it does.
You know it that you've given all your best,
Yes.
but then the end result, it all depends because everyone has worked equally hard. You cannot say that, oh, I have worked more
No.
harder.
True,
Yeah.
true.
Everyone out there in the competition has given their best. So that feeling of processing, oh,
Hmm.
I've got this.
Yeah.
That is special. I wish to know from you when you were getting crowned. Your
Yeah.
parents were there. What,
Yeah.
what when you saw them,
Yeah.
what was that first feeling which struck? What was that first thought which struck? And what did your mom and dad told you?
My mother was there, and when I was being crowned, at that moment, because the lightings are too flashy that you can't really see audience that well. But right after my crowning, I had like the sponsors and all the critical people coming in to take the pictures. And I just looked in the crowd, where is that person that I want the most? Sometimes you reach at the top and then you just want your people to come to you, give you that hug. So I think I just looked for her and she looked at me, and then there was this tears of joy. She came, we hugged, and that hug has been the most special one in my life.
Wow. But to all of you, was this dream already? It was there. Did it got planted out of somewhere? There was some sort of inspiration. You got inspired, or were you aware that मुझे तो यही करना है? I have no other aim in my life than this. What was it for you guys? Ananya, for you?
So I'm a fashion designer too. So it was my lifelong dream to become a fashion designer. And after becoming this, during lockdown, I had no clue where to go ahead with this. So I started posting my videos about upcycling, making people aware about sustainable fashion. So that's when it started catching up, because I got a lot of attention from celebrities. They were reposting my posts. So I got a lot of attention at that point. And I thought, this is need of the hour that I talk about this topic and make people aware about sustainable fashion.
Yeah.
So that's how my journey began, and ever since I've been doing it, because it drives me, to be honest. Like I can't imagine myself doing anything else now.
Wow. For you?
So for me, it was a challenging thing because I did my acting career, I did my dancing career, and coming back to the pageantry was something really special because you know that what truly matters to you, and that was pageantry for me. And to win the title of Liva Miss Diva Cosmos was something really, really special because this organization has take a new take over tons, and now I will be the first one to represent it from that organization. So yeah, it's really, because in the history the first one is always remembered.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm that the first person. I'm really excited to go Vietnam and chase my dreams.
Wow, first is always special.
Yeah.
Like said for you, what was it about? I mean, were there some sort of inspiration, or you knew that ये तो मैं करने वाली हूँ, I wish to do this?
So about being a fashion designer or
Yeah.
about Leva Mistiva?
About being fashion designer and then coming into pageantry, what
Okay.
it was like?
So ever since I was a kid, I was always drawn towards art, mythology, and fashion in the growing years, watching all these beauty pageants and Bollywood and Hollywood
Yeah.
stars. So that really intrigued me into trying to design clothes for the characters and the Bollywood actresses and the beauty pageant people. So it wasn't one defining moment. There was like a butterfly effect. You know, everything is connected to everything, kind
Yeah.
of. So there were a lot of moments strung together that led me to this moment. And when Leva Miss Diva talent hunt this time came around,
Yeah.
I took a chance. Little did I expect that I will be here, but we are here.
Ah, so special for you.
Yeah.
I think that universe always has a plan for you, as people say. I think I had the potential somewhere because that's something that you're born with. But then it's also the experience in your life that make you realize it. You just need a direction for it. In my case, it was my teachers who felt that, you have got that spark on you. Maybe just go try on stage and try what you can offer to the world. So it was my teachers and also my parents throughout who, cherished me that go do this. This is something amazing. They never stopped me,
Yeah.
unlike the stereotypes that we have in the society. So I think I'm very fortunate, blessed, and the fact that I'm really connected to the universe, that
Yeah.
it all just comes down together in a very amazing cycle.
You know, we're just, since we're talking about inspiration, who is your inspiration from the queens? Already who are the queens? There are Shushmita, Aishwarya, Lara, there's Manushi. The list is
Yeah.
long.
Yeah. I would love to answer that question because we've been asked this so much, but it's not just fair for us to pick one because what they did for our country, it's so amazing that no matter what platform we go, each one of them has that legacy that just inspire girls for generations. So we have picked the best things from each one of them. And I think it is, whether it be Shushmita's the way she talks and the intellect she brings to the table, or Aishwarya's beauty, or just the way Priyanka Chopra is so limitless. There's so much to learn from each and every queen. So why pick one?
Yeah. Do you guys have one, or the answer is?
I
The
think
answer is really the same.
really
Yeah.
the same,
Yeah.
yeah. Because we grew up watching them. So with
Yeah.
each passing year, we had something or the other
Yeah.
that we're adding to our own satchel, trying to replicate, just replicate their demeanor in the mirror, trying to walk like them, trying to talk like them. It was a lot of things that we
Yeah.
picked from each one of them.
Yeah.
So yes, and I think as women, it's good to stand together, not divide them into.
You
Yes.
know, getting inspired by women out there is the most special thing for the
Yes.
women. If I have to tell you, and if I have to ask you, what is that one stereotype or something which, as a girl, you wish to now break, or you wish the society to change? What is that one message or one thing which you really wanted to bring the change for?
I feel that women, especially, and also in general, the word you cannot is so restricting. You cannot, it could be a blank. You cannot dress certain way. You cannot speak certain way. So the word you cannot is so self-harming that if society tells you cannot, and if that gets to your head, trust me, you can mess up around your life. So you can is something that you should always keep in mind and never listen to any stereotype that has you cannot included.
Wow.
Well, I strongly believe that we are living in a 21st century, that stereotype break should be like completely banned, because we are women, we are embracing each other, and let's stop it now. This is the high time to take actions also. And I strongly believe that change begins with individual. She can inspire me, I can inspire them, and that's how world can begin. So yeah, let's take that legacy forward now. We have the responsibility. We can change
Yeah,
it.
we have
Yes.
it in us.
Exactly.
I think there's a stereotype between women that they don't support each other.
Yeah.
But I've grown up seeing women who really support each other in my family, be it my college or anywhere. I've seen women supporting each other. So it's just a stereotype. We love each other, we support each other.
Yes.
And for you?
I would explain this with an example from this famous movie Bulbul.
Okay.
So young Bulbul is married off to this old man, but during her wedding there is this one scene where her Pishima makes her wear a toe ring, and she asks, "What is this? Why are you making me wear it? It is kind of hurting me." And she is like, "ये toe ring है, इसको वश में करने के लिए पहनाते हैं."
Okay.
That was on that
The-
note,
on those
yes,
lines, yes.
on those lines. And she asked, "वश क्या होता है?" To which she never got a reply.
Okay.
So I think our generation and generations from before this or after this, that's changed the entire narrative. And now the touring is just to beautify your feet
Yeah.
and not just to keep you in control.
Yeah,
The narrative has changed. It is now we have new things coming up. We are looking forward to that. We are changing things, and we are coming together. We are not divided anymore. So together we stand.
Yay! Women empowerment!
So now we'll move on to the segments. The first segment is hashtag show. Hashtag for Shah Rukh Khan.
Hashtag king.
Oh, romance.
Hashtag charm.
Hashtag Bazigar.
To Shushmita.
Hashtag legendary.
Queen.
Hashtag inspiration.
Hashtag Queen.
Yeah.
Salman Khan.
Hashtag oh jare jara.
Hashtag Dabang.
I was going to say that.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Hashtag Bhaijan.
Okay.
That's
Hashtag Prem, because it's a very common name used for him in
Yeah.
most of the movies.
Iconic.
He has played Prem, yeah.
Deepika Padukone.
Hashtag the classic queen.
Hashtag expressions.
Hashtag Dimple Queen.
Hashtag Devil Eyes and Beautiful Smile.
Alia Bhatt.
Hashtag inspiring.
Hashtag cutie.
Hashtag
Gangubai.
Hashtag Gangubai.
Hashtag Rani.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Hashtag animal. That's like the latest movie.
Yeah.
Hashtag charming.
Hashtag Bachna Hai Hasino.
Oh.
Hashtag Ajay Prem Ki Gajab.
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Oh.
Hashtag handsome.
Hashtag Roy.
Hashtag love of my life.
Oh,
confession.
Hashtag manifesting him.
I like it. Aishwarya Rai.
Hashtag queen of hearts.
Hashtag beautiful.
Hashtag best eyes on the planet.
Hashtag Blue Eyes.
And lastly, Priyanka Chopra.
Hashtag confident.
Oh, now we have a lot of words in the mind.
Yeah.
Hashtag good speaker.
Okay.
Hashtag Desi Girl.
Hashtag inspiration.
So this has come to an end. Now the next segment is the last. So I'll ask you, what all last things did you do? जो भी कर रखी है. ठीक है?
Answer will be the same.
Okay, I'm supposed to be honest here.
You have to be honest.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
The last person you stalked.
I stalked Miss Supranational pageant because I'm supposed to be there. So I was checking out the updates. So I don't lag behind. I'm seriously like stalking their pages.
Okay.
Oh, like he's stalking. I did for so many people now. I stalk all my competition before stepping into Liva Miss Diva.
I think I stalked my sister because I wanted to stop from her.
I stalked Miss Tiva's page for some content that I was looking for.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your last celebrity crush.
I am not a crush girl, honestly, but I think it has to be Katrina Kaif.
Mm-hmm.
SRK.
Okay.
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
I am the one who answered women, guys. Take it like I support women and I love them very respectfully.
The last food item you ate.
The last item I ate is peanut butter and bread.
Oh, hashtag Upma.
I think
Hashtag,
hashtag-
we have to stop
Now we are at the same stuck point. Okay, it's Upma.
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 The last hug.
The last hug, I think it was this morning when we met our team who are behind the camera, so we greeted them with hugs.
Yeah.
I guess it was my mentors after the finale.
I hugged her today morning.
Last recently forgot.
We did?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you have hugged me as well.
Yeah.
Hugged her as well.
Yeah.
I think we hugged each other.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this morning. We're going
This
through
morning.
something, so.
Now the last kiss.
Mm-hmm.
The last kiss I gave was to my pet. She is a kitten. Her name is Simran.
I guess mine was for my mom before I was coming here.
Yeah.
I haven't kissed anyone. in a long time.
I think I kissed my roommate before coming because, of course, I was gonna miss her.
The last call.
It was my mom before this interview.
I don't remember. Like, I didn't call anybody. Nobody calls me. Okay, it might be my dad.
I call a cab.
I called my roommate.
Okay. The last time you cried.
It was yesterday night.
Why? What happened?
I miss my home. I mean, we're in Mumbai, we're shooting so much, and great stuffs are happening. But I'm Delhi based, so obviously, you know, when you're doing great, you miss your family, you miss your friends. So yeah, I just miss them.
Yeah, when you, I don't know if you guys can relate, but yeah, I can relate to your part because when you've been doing a lot of things, when you know when you're doing it for yourself, chasing everything, and then in the end, when there's nobody to pat your back,
Yes.
trust me, it feels so
So
sad,
sad,
so
yeah.
sad. I've felt it almost every day, and I have now tears in my eyes because I can relate it to you. It's tough. It's tough for
Yeah.
everyone out there, and I just more power to everyone. Just more power to
That's so well
everyone.
said.
The last time you guys, I don't know, I asked you cried. You're crying.
So after winning, when we went to the backstage, I really cried because that was the moment that really I worked hard for. So yeah.
So I cried when judges were watching my video,
Okay.
the actual video that I made for the grand finale. So I literally bowled there.
Oh my
So.
god.
My last cry was the day after the finale while saying goodbye to all my co-contestants.
Oh. This is the last travel destination.
The last travel destination.
Yeah.
I think it's here. Like
It's
It's
here.
It's been
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Last and the latest is here.
Okay, the last vacation.
The last
Okay.
vacation.
Yeah.
I have not been on vacation since
Oh
long.
my
For a
God.
long
We
time.
want vacations.
I think
No, I
Goa
went
for
to
me.
Kashmir
Yeah,
for
I
the
also-
New
Oh,
Year
no,
party.
Masuri, sorry.
Oh my god.
She
There
forgot.
we've not been to
Yeah.
any vacation.
It was just a
Kashmir
day.
and Mussoorie,
Yeah.
slightly.
What a nice place, guys.
Yeah.
It was just for a day, so.
That
Oh
too
my
for a
God.
day.
That too for a day.
It's a vacation for a day.
Obviously.
It is.
Chalo, now we'll move on to the Bollywood quiz. Now
Okay.
I wish you guys to have that buzzers in your hand
Okay.
if you wish to, or else you can press. That would be
Very
more
No,
confident.
we
confident.
shall.
Yeah. So the Bollywood quiz. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Name 3 Bollywood movies based on friendship.
3 Idiots, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Okay.
Oh.
I
So
answered.
proud. So proud of her.
Name 3 Bollywood movies based on love. She's fast.
Wow.
Say
Animal.
Animal based on love.
It is love for the father. You never specified
okay.
it has to be
Wow.
romantic.
Oh, yeah.
I go
Yeah.
beyond
Yeah.
boundaries.
So much.
So it's Animal, it's Kabir Singh, and it's Hum Aapke Hain Kaun.
How did you pick all the
Timelines.
Sorry, don't cut it out.
Name 3 movies based on cheating.
Oops.
Now say.
Cheating. Kabir Singh. No, it was not cheating.
Animal.
Animal.
Okay.
Bachna Hai Hasino.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rocky something.
No,
No,
Baba.
no.
It was
it's a
very committed.
Yeah.
There's this movie of Ranveer.
आपको
Okay,
कैसे
you
नहीं
lost
पता
again.
है?
Yeah. Now she lost that.
So it was Animal for sure. बचना है हसीनो. कभी अलविदा ना.
Name 3 Bollywood movies.
Sorry,
based-
SRK.
Name 3 Bollywood movies based on music.
Rockstar.
Okay.
Guys, don't give me eyes, please. Now that I answered 2 correctly. Okay, it has to be Rockstar and that Ajay what is that? Mere brother ki dulhan.
Okay.
And then last has to be Hum Saath Saath Hai because Salman Khan played that.
Okay. Fair.
Got it?
Now next is sing a double meaning song.
चोली के पीछे क्या है?
Ciao.
नहीं.
ऐसा थोड़ी है.
Oh no.
You have to sing.
Everyone has to sing.
Can I?
Yeah, she sings well.
I think this is a very old song. Hum tum agar ek kamre mein band.
Oh, but that's not a double meaning.
That's not a double.
That's straight meaning
Can
song.
I go?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a good singer.
Abhi na jao
But that is
chhod.
No, but that is not
Yeah.
double.
But you have to use your double meaning brain. You gotta unlock that.
Come on, I got it right.
Yeah.
Even though I did not sing it, but yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
Sing a famous song of Lata ji.
What is that song? Abhi na jao chhod.
That's not Lata ji.
Is it not?
Yeah.
लग जा
That
गले,
That was
फिर कभी मुलाकात होना। This pressure.
Sing a famous song of Arijit Singh.
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो.
Okay. Complete the following lyrics.
You did complete.
के दिल अभी भरा नहीं. Okay. You मुस्कुराए.
We get it together.
You have to complete the lyrics.
तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए. अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है. क्या करूँ हाय, कुछ कुछ होता है.
SRK fans.
Yes. अरे
Yes, that's a yes. I asked
question.
लगी जा.
गले की फिर ये हंसी बात हो न हो. शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो.
Next one is. क्या तुमने कभी किसी से प्यार किया?
किया.
क्या तुमने कभी किसी को दिल दिया?
दिया. मैंने भी दिया.
ला
ला ला ला. मेरी उम्र के नौजवानों, दिल ना लगाना ओ दीवानों. मैंने प्यार करके चैन खोया, नींद खोई. अरे
Yeah.
And the last one is. आज की
रात मजा हुस्न का आंखों से लीजिए.
Tamanna was.
Yeah.
Epic. Epic.
Now you have to guess the song. This is the English translation. Now you have to guess.
Okay.
Not the song yet. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
When I saw you, the thought came to mind.
तुम्हें देखा तो मेरे
When I saw you, the thought came to mind. Life is sunshine. You are the dense shadow.
तुम जो आए.
When I nah. When I saw you.
This is so hard.
हाँ.
No.
Please speak again, please.
When I saw you, your thought came to mind. life is sunshine, you are the dense shadow. No. चालू तो नहीं आ रहा है?
नहीं.
Okay.
Give us
It
some
is
hint.
तुमको देखा तो
Eh,
you don't tell me.
Oh my
the
god,
whole
you
song.
have to sing first.
तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल.
Okay, that's an old song, yeah.
What do you mean that song?
But you sing so well.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Next is yes, at every step here there are thousands of beauties.
कदम कदम पर लाखों हसीनाएं हैं.
Oh God, what kind of crazy boy is he?
ये लड़का है दिलवा कैसा है दीवाना, कितना मुश्किल है तलबा इसको समझाना कि धीरे धीरे दिल बेकरार होता है.
Now you have to guess the movie. मैं situation बता दूंगी movie की. You have to guess which is the movie. An 8-year-old girl plays matchmaker for her dad.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh,
That's right.
yeah.
A girl abuses ex-boyfriend on call, feels better about herself. She's gone blank. She's gone blank. And the last one is actor throws a star-studded party after winning a Filmfare.
Oh,
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ये Bollywood quiz यहाँ खत्म होता है. और I will not say that she has won. She has won. Because
Everyone, yes.
When you said that she has won, I was almost expecting the.
Oh my god, applause.
I've got this. No, but we all are winners.
Yeah,
Yes.
you all have one now. मतलब मेरे को तो चाहिए नहीं कि ये fun खत्म हो, पर क्या करें? You guys have to run for other things as well, and we have other things to do as well. So now I want you guys to give out one life advice from your experience, जितना भी experience हुआ है, something which you wish to share out there to the youngsters. And you guys are young. What am I saying? But yeah, just to our generation, so that you know they get a bit of clarity as to how to chase dreams.
For me, I'll say that कि कोई भी आपको सिखा नहीं सकता है क्या गलत है क्या सही है, because आपके experience आपको सिखाते हैं. लेकिन one message that I have for everybody is that keep going, and you know once you keep going, you'll figure out your way, what's wrong, how you can climb up back. You will learn your lessons, you will have your story, but that will be possible if you keep faith in yourself and you keep going. So whatever your dream is, big or small, keep going for it unless and until you achieve it.
So when I think from my journey, I've learned only one thing: be in the present moment. Because if we are sitting here and if we are not enjoying, so that doesn't make sense to us. So where you are, whenever what you want to become, it's okay, it's fine. Be easy yourself and be in the present moment and be happy. Cherish what you have and cherish all the failures that came into your life, because that will make eventually your journey so memorable and so easy to flow on. So yeah, that is one advice I would love to give you all.
I would like to say, if you have passion for something, keep chasing it until you get there. And it's really important to work towards your dream. So keep working hard on that. There are going to be distractions. There are going to be people who are going to come in your way and tell you you are not good enough or you can't do this. But please don't let it come in your way and keep working.
I would suggest everyone to keep chasing their dreams, believe in yourself, and be empathetic, be humble while you do it, be a good person for yourself, for others, and be kind. But if someone tells you that you cannot do something like this, do not waste time on that, rather work on yourself. And while you do all of this, don't forget to have fun.
Wow! Thank you so much, ladies.
Thank you for
Thanks
having
being
us.
here
Thank you.
and filming and sharing your journey, this beautiful moments, and saying some good
Amazing
games. I hope you
games.
guys enjoyed it.
We had
Yes,
a
of
blast. It
course.
was so
Yes.
fun.
And thank you so much, Disha and Filmedia, and wish you all the best for the future. Maybe meet again.
We will.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.